Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Mary and I share budget-friendly DIY home decor ideas with a high-end look. If that's your vibe, make sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my upcoming projects. So I found this simple white vase on clearance at Target for just $7, originally $25. And of course, I couldn't resist giving it a little makeover to better match my style and make it more trendy. If you're enjoying the video so far, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It really helps support my small channel and keeps me so motivated to create more for you. That's it. Here's the final look. I'm honestly so happy with the result. I'd love to hear what you think. See you next week.